Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Semrush for affiliate keyword research, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Semrush for affiliate keyword research, start by creating or logging into your Semrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter a seed keyword related to your niche into the search bar. Click on the search button or press enter. After the results load, select the Keyword Overview option. This section provides a snapshot of your keyword's performance. Take note of the search volume, keyword difficulty, and competition level. Next, scroll down to find related keywords. Here, you will see suggestions based on your initial keyword. Click on the Keyword Magic tool for a more extensive list. Once in the Keyword Magic tool, refine your search using filters. You can filter by keyword difficulty, search volume, or even cost per click. Choose keywords that align with your affiliate products. Pay attention to the CPC, as it indicates potential profitability. Look for long-tail keywords with lower competition. These keywords often convert better for affiliate marketing. Add promising keywords to your keyword list. After compiling your list, navigate to the Keyword Analysis section. Here, assess the search intent behind your selected keywords. Understanding search intent is crucial for effective content creation. This will help you understand what kind of results appear in searches. Next, use the Traffic Insights tool to gauge potential traffic. Evaluate how many visitors each keyword could potentially drive to your site. Finally, make a plan to create content targeting your selected keywords. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to conduct thorough affiliate keyword research using Semrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.